Grounding has been a human practice since the dawn of man. Walking barefoot, swimming in natural bodies of water, and sleeping on the ground used to keep human bodies balanced and connected to the earth. Now, life often gets in the way of that earthly connection, and it's taking a toll on our health. Earth sheets are a conductive grid that grounds us in the same way as the earth and balances out the positive charges of our bodies with a flow of negatively charged electrons. The benefits of this amazing indoor grounding technique are abounding. Improved quality of sleep is one of the primary benefits. Others include reduced inflammation, protection against electromagnetic discharge, anti-aging, balancing hormones, and reducing anxiety and stress. These benefits find us in our sleep and allow for effortless improvement of our overall wellness. For quick reference, the best earthing sheets are the Grounding brand fitted king-size sheet with earth connection cable, 400 TC conductive mat with pure silver thread for better sleep and healthy earth energy. These sheets are the highest quality and have made the top of our list. If you're thinking about buying some grounding sheets, this is a great place to start. We've researched and discovered the 6 top-rated earthing sheets as well as one to avoid. And now for thelightofhappiness.com's reviews of the 6 best earthing sheets plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1. Grounding brand fitted king-size sheet with earth connection cable, 400 TC conductive mat with pure silver thread for better sleep and healthy earth energy. These sheets are the best earthing sheets overall. With the finest soft cotton and pure silver grounding thread, there is no question why they are at the top of our list. The Grounding brand earthing sheets allow you to tap into the earth's essential energy. When you sleep with these amazing earthing sheets, you get some seriously stellar sleep. Fall into a deep sleep and experience the large list of scientifically tested health benefits. These sheets are perfect for anyone who is extra mindful of their health and wellness, or for someone looking to ramp it up by taking steps toward improving their overall health. Among other benefits, these grounding sheets can speed healing and reduce inflammation. They are ideal for people with chronic illness or pain of any kind, as well as a great addition to any athlete's recovery routine. For many, life can get in the way of our connection to the Earth's vital influx of negatively charged electrons. Sleeping with these grounded bed sheets will give you the chance to reconnect to the Earth and harness the power for major health and wellness gains. Just the smallest interest in alternative medicine is all you need to explore this type of magnetic field therapy and what it can do to improve your sleep and your health. After perusing the web and learning about the different options for earthing sheets, we have chosen these Grounding brand sheets as the best earthing sheets. For anyone who believes in the value of investing in one's own health and wellness, these are the sheets for you. Here are some pros. 16-foot grounding wire allows for easy use. Premium high-quality materials. Effortlessly boost your wellness while you sleep. 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. And here's a con. King-sized only. Coming in at number 2. LandKissing Earthing Half Bed Sheet. These earthing sheets are on our list for their quality and versatility. The half sheet option allows you to use these sheets almost anywhere. Science has proven that our bodies function at a superior level when we are grounded. Glean the benefits of earthing with this awesome indoor grounding product and see the difference in your sleep immediately. Let your body kiss the land and experience the benefits of earthing, such as quicker healing, reduced stress and inflammation, and really just a general feeling of wellness. Users agree that these are a game changer when it comes to health and wellness. This is a great deal too, because within your earthing sheets package, 2 portable earthing bracelets are also included. Take the benefits of this production anywhere with you. This is, without a doubt, one of the best earthing sheet options on the market. As we move deeper and keep focus on your health and see how much better a body can function when the root chakra is balanced and grounded, the cotton is comfortable and the conductive silver threads are sourced from the purest silver available. Slip into the deepest sleep you've had in a while you try these LandKissing earthing half sheets. EMF discharge is something everyone is exposed to, and the negatively charged electrons that our bodies receive when grounded are a huge factor in combating that exposure. The way life has evolved, grounding is more important than ever. These sheets are a great way to begin or continue your wellness journey. Here are some pros. 30-day money-back guarantee. Portable grounding bracelets included with the sheets. Major health benefits, quality cotton and pure silver thread. And here's a con, half sheet option only. Coming in at number 3, grounding sheets for earthing half sheet, 6% pure silver fiber earthing bed sheet. This is another half sheet option that made it on our list. We love that these earthing sheet boasts 6% pure silver thread for optimal grounding capabilities. The versatile half sheet design allows this sheet to fit virtually anywhere, on any bed or other surface. This amazing family-owned business offers a 110-day risk-free trial. If you send an email or reach out in any way for this product, it is actually the creator that reads and replies. What a great source from which to buy an earthing sheet. Get grounded and support a small business you believe in when you buy this product. Of all the earthing sheets on the market, this is definitely one of the top-rated options. The owner discovered this technology when sleeping in a metal bed on a concrete floor and realized the benefits. They decided to create this product so that they can share this indoor grounding technique with the world. Like other earthing sheets, this does not require any electricity. The cord conducts the Earth's ions, allowing your body to recharge during sleep like never before. With the money-back guarantee, there is absolutely no downside to trying this out to see how your health and wellness might benefit. Grounding is a fascinating facet of alternate medicine and can be truly accelerated by using these sheets. Being closer to the earth nurtures the mind, body, and spirit on so many levels, and the negatively charged electrons provided by grounding with these earthing sheets boost vitality in a way that cannot be fully understood until experienced. Here are some pros. Patented safe plug, cord measures over 16 feet, 110-day risk-free trial, 6% pure silver, reversible design, improves sleep and reduces inflammation. And here is a con. Half sheet option only, no fitted sheet. Looking to learn more about the 6 best earthen sheets in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, VitaliZEN certified organic cotton with silver conductive thread earthing half sheet with grounding cord for EMF recovery and better sleep, plus 2 wrist grounding straps and cords. The VitaliZEN grounding sheets are another great option that make our list of best earthing sheets. This top-rated indoor grounding product is another wonderful choice if you are considering an earthing sheet purchase. Direct skin-to-sheet contact offers all the health and wellness benefits of grounding. The half-sheet size is very versatile and can be utilized in a number of ways, on any surface you can lie down on. Another option that includes 2 grounding bracelets. This package deal is the perfect way to begin the process of determining whether indoor grounding is the missing link to boosting your vitality and achieving the healthiest version of yourself. We love that these sheets are each tested and proven to work properly. All you have to do is check your outlet and you're good to go with this high-quality product. In order to maximize results, the outlet must be properly grounded in order to conduct the earthy ions to your sleeping body. Plug into the energy of the earth when you experience the deep sleep induced by lying on these spectacular sheets. Balance the root chakra, reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and experience sounder, more effective sleep night after night when you try out these VitaliZEN earthing sheets. The included grounding bracelets or straps can be used to protect yourself on the go from EMFs or synthetic electromagnetic radiation. You can take the healing power of indoor grounding anywhere with you and feel its benefits from the couch, your desk, or pretty much anywhere. These earthing sheets are one of the best choices out there when it comes to finding the ideal earthing sheet for your needs. Here are some pros. Cotton and silver connective wiring. 2 wrist or ankle straps. Made of the finest quality materials. Health benefits of earth grounding. And here are 2 cons. Slightly shorter cord than the others on the list, half sheet option only. Coming in at number 5. Armshield Earthing Half Sheet Grounding Kit Connection Cord USA Tester Bedding 400 thread count, pure silver thread, conductive earth mat, therapy EMF protection, 95% organic cotton for better sleep. This Armshield earthing sheet is also a half sheet and shares the benefits of versatility that the other half sheets provide. It also includes an outlet tester so that you can check your outlet for earth ion conductivity. Getting a better night of sleep alone can have an enormous impact on your vitality and overall wellness. Of all the sheets out there on the market, this grounding sheet made our list because of its health benefits and versatile capabilities. This amazing indoor grounding product is appreciated for its hand-picked high quality. The cotton is soft to the touch, and the silver thread is a beautiful grid of conductivity. Quality control is best for this brand, so anything that doesn't meet the high standards cannot be sold. This natural way to boost your health and wellness has the longest cord on the list by half a foot. In order to reduce your stress levels, improve your sleep, reduce any inflammation you may have in your body, or even shield you from EMF discharge. Grounding is a way to balance out our lack of earthy connectivity, and these sheets are one of the best options for achieving that connection. Like a few of the others on our list, this set includes wristbands, so you can ground yourself anywhere. That is just such a great add-on to an already great product. Increasing your electrical nutrition with these sheets may be just what you need to add to your health regimen. Great for avid wellness seekers or someone who just wants to see if it helps with his pain. These earthing sheets might be exactly what you are missing. Here are some pros. 16.5 foot cord. All products tested before shipping. Long and versatile at 108 inches. Better sleep. Long-lasting health benefits. Effortless recharging. And here are some cons. No fitted sheet option. Beige is the only color option. Coming in at number 6. Earthing sheet half size with grounding cord, grounding conductive mat with pure silver threads for better sleep, reduce pain, EMF protection. If you're looking to try out this indoor grounding technique to see if it's right for you, here is a fantastic option. This half sheet comes in several size options, one of which is pretty small, so it can easily be used anywhere. Because of its smaller size, this earthing sheet is priced lower than the others on our list. That makes this the best earthing sheet for anyone on a budget. This product would make an excellent gift or a more portable model that could be taken on vacation, etc. This earthing sheet could be a catalyst for improving your overall health and wellness, and all you need to do is plug it in to begin getting earthed. This method of grounding boosts your health in the same ways as earthing by walking barefoot or swimming in the ocean, but it provides a completely effortless way to enjoy the benefits. Improving your health while sleeping is more accessible than ever with these earthing sheets. By improving your health and getting better sleep, this earthing mat also makes a great case for anti-aging. Although there are many ways to ground the body and connect with the earth, this is an extremely effective method. Whether you are in your home, sleeping in your bed, working at the office, or enjoying a vacation, this earthing technique is bound to affect your health in some pretty profound ways. By balancing the positive and negative forces between the body and the earth, we can find a new depth to balance our bodies, minds, and spirits. Here are some pros. Amazing health benefits and anti-aging. Smaller size allows for more versatility. Quality materials. Several size options. And here are some cons. Shorter cord than most of the others on the list may not be the best option for a larger bed. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite earthing sheets. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates. And now for lightofhappiness.com's earthing sheet to avoid. Avoid earthing sheet with grounding cord, flat sheet earth beds by grounding cotton silver conductive EMF protection. Like all the other earthing sheets on our list, this one claims benefits such as improving sleep, relieving snoring, hormone regulation, better circulation, less stress and anxiety, bioelectrical balance, support, anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, an immune booster, and faster athletic recovery. However, after doing our research, we have found that this product to be the worst earthing sheets on the market. Reviews claim that the cord didn't work, or that the product itself is fraudulent and do not work. It also said that the company does not respond quickly or professionally to inquiries. Although earthing sheets themselves are a wonderful product, this option in particular is not to be trusted. When investing in your health, it is important to buy the correct products that will improve your wellness, rather than wasting your money on something that is not going to work. Don't let the price fool you. There is a far better low-budget option. We know that it can take time and effort to research products thoroughly before purchasing. That is why we did the research for you and made this list. We are here to help you on your wellness journey, and our research shows that these earthing sheets are not on the same mission. There is one pro, low budget option. Here are some more cons. Shorter cord, reports that item does not work, reports a faulty cord, unprofessional lack of correspondence. And now for the lightofhappiness.com's final thoughts on buying the best earthing sheets. These reviews are meant to help you on your journey to maximum whole wellness. The first 6 products on this list represent the 6 best earthing sheets on the market. The last item on our list is the one to avoid. When seeking a new addition to your health regimen, grounding and its many benefits are sure to come up. When you decide to take that step and buy your earthing sheets, these reviews should help you make the best and most informed decision. Everyone has different needs, resources, and expectations. That's why having some choices and learning what's out there is so important. Go ahead and make your choice so that you can begin to enjoy all of the amazing benefits of earthing sheets as soon as possible. Looking to learn more about the 6 best earthen sheets in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite earthen sheets. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive video updates.